Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an incredible topic to dive into, the top 10 benefits of apple cider vinegar. Get ready to uncover the remarkable advantages this versatile ingredient can offer for your health and well-being. But before we continue, it is important to note that all the information presented in this video is supported by scientific evidence and has been verified, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals to ensure impartiality and accuracy. Apple cider vinegar, made from fermented apple juice, has been used for centuries as a natural remedy and culinary ingredient. Let's explore the impressive benefits that make apple cider vinegar a must-have in your pantry. Benefit number 1: digestive health. Apple cider vinegar can support digestion by promoting the production of stomach acid, aiding in the breakdown of food and nutrient absorption. Benefit number 2: blood sugar control. Studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for those with diabetes or insulin resistance. Benefit number 3: weight management. Apple cider vinegar can help promote feelings of fullness, potentially reducing calorie intake and supporting weight loss efforts. Benefit number 4: heart health. Some research suggests that apple cider vinegar may help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health markers, contributing to a healthier cardiovascular system. Benefit number 5: immune support. Apple cider vinegar has antimicrobial properties that can help support the immune system and potentially assist in fighting off certain infections. If you've been enjoying the content so far, we would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative and engaging. It helps us know that we're creating content that resonates with you. Remember to click the subscribe button and enable notifications, ensuring that you stay up to date with our upcoming videos on natural remedies and healthy living. Now, let's delve deeper into the incredible health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Benefit number 6: skin health. Apple cider vinegar's antibacterial properties and acidity make it a popular natural remedy for various skin conditions, including acne and dandruff. Benefit number 7: digestive comfort. Apple cider vinegar may help soothe digestive discomfort, such as bloating and indigestion, thanks to its ability to promote a healthy gut environment. Benefit number 8: pH balance. Despite its acidity, apple cider vinegar has an alkalizing effect on the body, potentially helping to maintain a balanced pH level. Benefit number 9: natural cleaning. Apple cider vinegar's acidity makes it a versatile cleaning agent that can effectively tackle household chores, from disinfecting surfaces to removing stains. And finally, benefit number 10: hair health. Apple cider vinegar can help balance the scalp's pH level, potentially reducing dandruff, improving hair shine, and enhancing overall hair health. There you have it, the top 10 benefits of apple cider vinegar. Incorporating this natural powerhouse into your routine may offer remarkable advantages for digestion, blood sugar control, weight management, heart health, and more. Remember, while apple cider vinegar has its benefits, it's important to use it in moderation and dilute it properly, as its acidity can be harsh on tooth enamel and delicate tissues. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.